at the store. Getting a cold Coke. So I finished the juniper trees and I'm done with the yard. There's nothing more that I can physically do, and there's nothing more that I see that needs to be done. So I am done with the yard. Unless, of course, we start planting. I'm waiting for the cold temperatures to go away so my seeds don't freeze. And I don't have room in the house to seed start in the house. So, and I don't have a greenhouse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait until it's warm enough at night. And then we're going to plant some seeds in my saved up soda bottles. And we're going to see what we can do to get some food growing. And that's what we're going to do. Because it'll help a lot on the grocery bill if we can get our own tomatoes and zucchini. Oh, I really miss the zucchini. And that's what we're going to be doing. But, I got a sunburn. I forgot to put a medicine, the sunscreen, and I got sunburned. So, hold on a minute. There's the yard, and there's the juniper trees. See, tucking those behind their work, they're still staying there. So, I'm done on the yard. Just a regular. We're still looking for the drain on the battery, so we got to disconnect our battery if we're going to be parked a long time. We're looking for what it is that's draining the battery. But yeah, I have my little DoorDash thing. My DoorDash is in 2-3 parts today, the way the schedule is. So hopefully I'll get dashes. I'll get orders.